Hi everyone, Brianna here, and today we're going to talk about memes. A meme is a piece of content, usually a funny image or video that spreads quickly online because people enjoy it, relate to it, and share it with others. It often features an image or short video, usually something familiar or recognizable like a celebrity reaction, a cartoon, or a funny video, and a caption or text that adds humor, commentary, or emotion. It's often about something going on in life, work, or the current culture. People love memes because they're relatable, they're funny, they're quick, and they're shareable. Now, on to some examples. I have 3 memes on the screen right now, but I'm going to point you to the one in the middle because as travelers, we probably can all relate to this. So you see a cute dolphin with a cute little smile, and it says how I look at the flight attendant during snack time so they know I'm awake and hand me snacks. We've all been there. We've all been on a flight, probably fell asleep, woke up just in time for snack time, and we're there waiting patiently to be handed some amazing cookies. So if I can relate to it, you can relate to it, and probably millions of other people can relate to it as well. It was quick, easy, probably took less than 5 minutes to make, but has a great return. To get started with your meme, open Canva and click the plus sign button on the left-hand side of the screen. To start from a template, you can do so by typing in meme in the search box and make sure templates is selected. Now, all you have to do is go through all of the options that Canva provides for you for different memes, and there's plenty to pick from. So I decided to go ahead and pick this template to get started and make it my own. So in order to make this template my own, I'll go ahead and delete the photo that was already there. And all I have to do is find the photo I want to replace it with. So for this example, I am using the photos from the last Olympics of Martha Stewart and Snoop Dogg because it was a huge pop culture moment. People were talking about it all over the internet. So this is what I want to go ahead and talk about. So once you go ahead and import your image to Canva, you have to change the text to relate to your scenario. Make sure you resize your image however big or small you would like it. And then we're going to go ahead and change the messaging. For this specific example, looks like they were on their way to go horseback riding. So I just took this opportunity to relate it to an excursion when you're traveling and just made a funny joke on it. And so you can relate this in many ways when it comes to different scenarios. Once you went ahead and edited the messaging to make sure it matches your scenario, all you have to do is save and export your meme and post it on social media. Now that you know more about memes, hopefully you're able to incorporate them into your content strategy. I hope this was helpful, and if you're still watching, make sure to comment what you would like to see in the next upcoming episodes, and I'll see you next time.